This is verse 18 of the first chapter of the Gospel of John. Rather remarkable verse in several respects that we'll notice as we go along. We begin here with the pronoun, a negative pronoun, no one. It's masculine nominative, so no one, oudes, no one, theon, God in the accusative, so no one, haoraken, from harao, it's the perfect, third person singular, no one has seen, and the very fact that the perfect is used here suggests that it's an ongoing situation. No one has ever, even to this moment, you might read into it, no one has seen theon, the direct object of has seen, so no one has seen God. Popote, the idea here is at any time. Popote means it's an adverb, it's non-declinable, and simply means at no time has anyone ever seen God. Now we have this rather remarkable statement, monogenes. We've seen some form of that word before, only begotten, but unexpectedly now we find that the word theos is in the nominative. There's actually some textual debate about this, but by far the strongest evidence suggests that this is in fact the nominative. So if you were to render it really strictly based on how it reads, you would say God only begotten, these two standing in a kind of apposition to each other. No one has seen God at any time, but now we continue, God only begotten, which presumably in the context is going to refer back to the Logos. God only begotten, ho, nominative, the article here standing with the participle, the being, ace, tone, kolpon. Into, the preposition takes the accusative tone, kolpon. This is a word that means, it's usually translated bosom. It actually has something of the idea of the womb. It's a rather striking and indeed somewhat startling use of a word, because it certainly implies a highly feminine idea here being applied to God. In the womb, you might say, of God, but it's simply a way of conveying to us, as best as anthropomorphic language is capable of, the deep and really virtually unspeakable intimacy that we are to understand subsists between the only begotten, God only begotten, the Logos, being into or in the womb, to patros akenos, of God, of the Father, really. So in the womb of the Father, it's almost an oxymoron to say it that way, but nevertheless that's really the sense of it. And then akenos here, once again in the nominative, and it's that one, the idea, the demonstrative pronoun, that one, declares him. The word there is exegeomai, to declare, really conveys the idea of to declare out loud, to announce, to proclaim, a rather strong word suggesting that that one, this one referring back now to the only begotten, God only begotten, has declared him, the one who is in the very bosom of the Father, making known, declaring, becoming, as we saw earlier, hologos, the Word of God. So no one has seen God at any time, but this one who is God only begotten, who is in this deeply intimate connection with the Father, that one has declared him.